Good morning. My name is Anna Sakalis. Today's Friday, July 23rd, and I'm reporting from the Nasdaq stock market in Times Square, New York. Equity futures are showing modest follow-through from last night's strong gains, which took the major averages up between 2 and 3%. Stocks generally rose overnight in Asia. European markets are digesting some positive economic data, which is being offset slightly by Hungary's downgrades by Moody's and S&P. In other macro news, there were headlines overnight that North Korea is threatening the U.S. and South Korea with a physical response to planned weekend naval exercises. Although this type of rhetoric out of North Korea is nothing new, a re-escalation of tensions between the North and South could add to some volatility. After this week, about a third of the companies in the S&P 500s will have reported, and according to Bloomberg, 84% of the companies have beat their estimates so far. Of the many companies out last night after the close with positive reports, we've gotten them from Microsoft, American Express, and E-Trade, while Amazon was the biggest disappointment last night. It's down roughly about 12% in pre-market after missing its earnings. SanDisk is down about 7% after beating on the top line, but issuing disappointing guidance on the conference call. This morning, we've had positive reports out from Ford, Verizon, and Honeywell. They're all trading higher pre-market, while McDonald's is down about 1.6% despite beating on the top and bottom line. As this earnings week wraps up before the open, the focus will then shift to the highly anticipated release of the European bank stress test. The initial report is supposed to be released at 12 noon, followed by individual reports and a press conference. The results were generally are expected to be positive outside of German lender called Hypo, which is already leaked to have to have failed. But the news can impact the entire financial sector. And the commodity news: September crude futures fell 23 cents to 79.07 a barrel, and gold futures posted small gains to 1,198.30 an ounce. That's it. Have a great weekend.